welcome to another episode of CARevive. Now we have some good weather today, at least till about 3 o'clock, so I'm going to try and get you some more content on the RX8 today, namely differential and gearbox fluids, and if we have time and sunlight then I'll move on to the alternator and air conditioning belts as well. Let's just have a look at the products we'll be using today. So we have a set of belts, 5 PK820 and 4 PK780. The 780 and 820 denote the length of the belt. The 4 PK and 5 PK is the number of ribs within the belt itself. So that's that. We have GL4 and GL5 fluids for the gearbox and for the rear diff. As per the manufacturer specification, we will be using one of each in the diff and the gearbox. Each fill quantity is there or thereabouts of 2 litres with enough to spare. So I've got a litre bottle of each, there or thereabouts. So without further ado, let's crack on, get this done, and then we'll get you some driving videos. Before we crack on, I just wanted to say a big thank you to my subscribers and my viewers for keeping tuned in on my channel. It's a massive spur for me to keep going on with this channel. It is slow progress, but I'm optimistic for the future and for the channel to grow. I have noticed on my analytics, however, that barely 30% of the viewers are actually subscribed. So please, if you watch this channel, you like what you see, and you want to tune into more of the videos I do and the cars that I'm working on, then please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell as well, and like and comment as well. Any useful contribution and comments and that are much appreciated, and thanks again. So without further ado, let's crack on. Let's get the Mazda up on the ramps, get the car level, very important, and let's go from there. So, although crude, this is what I've done. I've reversed onto ramps, and then I've jacked it up to make sure that things are perfectly level. Now, a good way to check, you may call it crude, is a spirit level, which I'm just going to place on a flat part of the sill. It shows that we are there or thereabouts of level, which is good, because working on a sloping driveway is not easy, and we always like flat surfaces when we are working. So axle stands, safety, handbrake on, and we're up on stands there. So everything's nice and solid all around. So hopefully the exhaust is not too hot, we'll slip underneath and we will release the fluids and get some fresh fluid in. Here we go. So this isn't a how-to video, it's self-explanatory what I'm doing, and it's quite boring, so enjoy the fast forward clips. I'm going to put some music beats for you to listen to, and we will be finishing this off. So enjoy the show and look forward to some drive-bys and some detailing videos for next time. Cue the music.
you.